In a genetics experiment on peas, one sample of offspring contained 388 green peas and 12 yellow peas. Based on those results, estimate the probability of getting an offspring pea that is green. Is the result reasonably close to the value of 3/4 that was expected? So we want to use the relative frequency approach. So to approximate a probability, we can observe a procedure and count the number of times that event A actually occurs. And based on these actual results, the probability of that event A is estimated as below. The probability of event A is equal to the number of times A occurred over the number of times the trial was repeated. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find out how many total peas do we have. So to find a total, we need to add the amount of green peas, which is 388, with the amount of 12 yellow peas. So we take 388 and then add 12. We get 400. Okay, now the second part now is asking us to find what is the probability of getting a green pea. So that means we're going to find out the probability of getting one green pea. So that is the number of green peas over the total peas. So we notice that it's 388 represents the total amount of green peas, and we're dividing that by 400. Okay, so now it also tells us that we're going to need to round this result. So let's go ahead and first find our decimal here. So if we take 388, divide that by 400. 388, divide that by 400. We get 0.970. So we get 0.970. So let's check our result. It says the probability of getting a green pea is approximately 0.970, and there is our result. Now the next question says, is the probability reasonably close to 3/4? Okay, well, what do we know about the decimal 3/4? We know 3/4 actually converts to the decimal of 0.75. And 0.97 is not close to 0.75. So therefore, we would say no, it is not reasonably close.